Hi everyone, it's Evelyn again, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute tie-dye 4th of July shirt. So now let's get to it.
So for this DIY, you're going to be needing a white t-shirt, a tie-dye kit, a cup, a large plastic bag, and I'm using a garbage bag, some paper towels, and plastic wrap. So now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your kit. So this kit comes with 2 different colors of tie-dye, and since this is for 4th of July, I'm getting red and blue, some rubber bands, a super huge pair of gloves, and then a project guide. So now let's start tie-dyeing. So now that I have my work area protected and my hands protected, I'm going to start mixing my dye. So you just fill it up with water all the way until this line. So I'm making this spiral design, so you just take your shirt and pinch it in the middle like this, and then you twist it into a spiral. So after you've done that, then you just take your rubber bands and you put it on. So after you're done tying it up, then you use your dye and dye each section one color. So now that I'm done dyeing it, I'm going to use plastic wrap to wrap it up. Now that I've done that, I need to let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. So after 8 hours, you rinse it and dry it, and now it's time for DIY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fringe the bottom of the shirt. So you just take your scissors, and then you fringe it. So now that I'm done cutting, I'm going to tie a knot on each strip.
So here's the finished t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, so thanks for watching and have a happy 4th of July. Bye!